Hello and welcome back. I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be taking a look at the Glow Addict box for the month of June. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. If you're not familiar with Glow Addict, it is a monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 to 7 beauty items each month for $18.99. Now, in addition to their beauty box, they also offer 2 other subscriptions, one of which is their beauty bag, where for $13.99 you receive 4 to 6 beauty products, and they also have a skincare box where for $24.99 you receive between 4 and 5 skincare items each month. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and jump in and see what came inside of this box. When you receive the box each month, it comes in a box like this. And when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Your products are packaged there inside. Now, I have already opened this box because I created the eye look that I have on today with one of the items that is inside. And if you're interested, there will be a quick try on toward the end of this video. The first item I'm pulling out of the box are some lashes from HUDA. And those are absolutely stunning. I did not use them today, as you can see. I do not see a name for the lashes on the box unless I am just missing it. I just see the brand. I don't see an actual lash name. But again, that's what they look like. Absolutely stunning. The next item I am pulling out of the box is a Cbd Coffee Lip Scrub. And that's what that looks like. And I never mind getting a lip scrub because I use them pretty often. And that's what it looks like inside there. Let me just go ahead and rub a little bit on my hand to see what kind of consistency it has. Oh, this is actually kind of hard there, kind of hard getting it off. Maybe it's just the first dab. Okay, here's what it looks like. And it has a really strong coffee smell. So if you don't like that, be aware. This is what it looks like. I'm rubbing it in, and I have to say it is a little bit drier than most of the other lip scrubs I've tried. I don't want to turn my hand all the way over because if I do, it's just going to flake off. But I guess you could just add a little bit of water to it when you're scrubbing your lips, and that'll probably help it out a little bit. But again, the smell is very strong. It has a very, very strong coffee scent. The next item in the box is a beauty sponge, and that's what that looks like. Now, it does have a nice slope on this side where you can get in under your eyes or down the side of your contour really good. Now, this doesn't feel like your typical beauty sponge. It almost feels like more like a velvet type of material or something like that. I know it's not velvet, but that's the best thing I can come up with to describe it. And it wasn't in any kind of bag, so I'm not sure about that, but I'll go ahead and wash it before I use it, and I will give it a try and see how I like it. It has a good little squish there. It's kind of soft, so it may be pretty good. I'll have to try this out and see how I like it. The next item I am pulling out of the box is a Firm and Lift mask. It says brighten and tone, rejuvenate and firming, and it's the lower lift, and that's what that looks like. So I guess it looks like it's for this part of your face, the way that it's looped around the ears there on the package, if you can see that. So that's pretty interesting. I do love a good sheet mask, so I'll be interested in seeing how this works. The last thing in the box this month, guys, is the palette, and this is from Medusa's Makeup, and it's called the Electro palette, and that's what that looks like. And again, it's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. It does have a little mirror there, and it has 12 shades inside the palette, and here they are. The palette is very, very beautiful. Some really nice, bright shades. Now, for today's look, I'm actually only wearing 2 of the colors, and it's just this red and this reddish orange color here. But these are really nice, and I didn't have too much of a hard time building them up, but I will tell you that I put on a primer, and I set the primer before I use this palette. So let me go ahead and swatch this for you. So here are all the colors from the palette swatched. And the colors, again, are absolutely beautiful. Now, I did have to swatch all of these colors on my hand twice to get the payoff that I got. So I guess putting the primer on my eye definitely helped. But again, the colors are buildable. But these two glitters here, these are one swatch. So let me just go and tell you the colors real quick. We have Andy, then we have this orange here, which is Pop Culture, this yellow, which is Always Sunny, this peach color here, which is Petal, and then we have Stiletto, and then we have Gravity, and down here we have Feminist, we have Roxy, we have White Hot, and that's two swatches and it's still very light. And then we have this black here with a little bit of glitter in it, and it's called Galaxy. And then we have this first hit glitter here, which is Chalice, and this second gold glitter here, which is Vice. I absolutely love these colors. Again, guys, I think they went on really well on my eyes, but I did use a primer. Well, that was everything that was inside of this month's Glow Addict Beauty box. Now, the box didn't come with the card this month, so I did have to look up the prices, and a couple of these prices that I'm going to give you are guesstimates because I couldn't find a price, but I kind of estimated that's what it might cost. But anyway, we have the Cbd Coffee Scrub, and this is $10. We have the Aloha Lashes, and these retail for $11.99. We have the sponge, which I could not find a price for, so we're going to guesstimate that this is about 10 bucks. Then we have this lower lip face mask, which the only price I saw was on a website that is not the manufacturer's or the brand's website, but I did see it for $13, so I'm going to run with that. And then we have the Electro palette from Medusa's Makeup, and this is $22.95. I come up with a total box value of $67.94. And again, this is an estimate because I'm not quite sure of the price of the sponge, and I'm not sure if the $13 is accurate for the mask. But anyway, what was your favorite product inside of this month's Glow Addict Beauty box? Let me know down in the comments below. If you don't receive Glow Addict but you'd like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to them down in the description box below. Now let's go ahead and jump into the try-on portion. Anyway, guys, that is all that I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.